Alright guys, sorry about the wind, but we got another four-wheeler. Been a while, but this guy called me and said he needed his four-wheeler worked on for the ignition switch. Well, seeing that I have the ignition switch in my hand, I'm going to show y'all. Some guy worked on it before me and decided to splice the wires, which I believe this is the right clip. This is the right clip, but it goes to something else too. And I think the clip that went to the ignition switch was had the wrong clip on it when he ordered it. So I believe he cut it, spliced the wires together, and then said he fixed it and got money. So all he did was basically fix it his way and got money for it. So just so y'all know, this is what I'm working on, and I hope to have the part soon. It is a 2003 through 2006 Yamaha Kodiak 400 4x4. So I think it'll be ready to go soon. Not sure how soon. Yeah, y'all stay updated. I'll keep y'all updated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.